see, man.
Yeah, long time no see for a good 10 minutes.
Who's driving today?
I'm driving, yeah. Oh, nice. Good in there? Yeah. Oh shit, okay.
Do you have room back there?
Yeah. Alright, so how do you adjust the seats down, man?
Yeah, it's on the, so for the adjustment that's in the front to slide back and forth is manual seating, and the back you have lumbar support.
Oh, you can't lower the seats?
No, not
Oh,
this,
snap.
not
Okay.
these, not these here. They haven't had that, and so that's actually being added in the next one.
Oh, okay.
And it'll be power seating.
Oh, okay, nice. I thought the Limited would probably have one or something.
No, that's a thing they talked about, and that's actually they're actually implementing it. Up to all the way to the left from me.
All right.
We'll clear that turn. Yeah, we're ready to go. There's somebody there.
Yep.
You've been on the drive route, right? Already?
Yeah, that I'm familiar with.
Yeah, so you make it right here at the
Yeah.
light. Have you been on Tacoma before?
Last year, yeah.
I see. Okay.
So pretty standard.
Yeah, pretty it's the same. Probably, I'm sure it's the same one. If
Yeah.
not, this is a refreshed.
Yeah.
This is actually a TRD off-road package on it.
Oh, okay.
It's one of the 3 TRDs we offer: the Sport, the TRD, this one, off-road, and the Pro, which is
Oh, okay.
kind of the most expensive one.
The Tacoma doesn't have the TRD Pro, right?
Yeah, they brought it back this year. Yeah.
Oh, they did? Okay.
Yeah. We had one in some other auto show, and that one sits at
Probably 50 grand. Oh, okay.
50 grand with fully loaded. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Makes sense. Is this guy gonna go or something?
Yeah, we're seeing what this one has. This one has the crawl control system right here.
Oh, okay.
EG on an off-road capabilities. Makes it easier to actually come out of a tight situation, like when the tires are halfway in dirt. Uses the crawl control system to actually rock the wheels pretty rapidly, creating gravel underneath the tires, actually pushing the loose gravel inside underneath, to actually lift the tire out of the tight situation and going over.
Okay, so that's why this crawl control makes the vibrating sound, right? That's
actually the vibrating sound is when you experience the vibrating sound when you're on the flat surface like this.
Oh, okay. Like, I don't know, people take it off-road, and then I think I have a sign of friends, Tacoma, where they were taking it off-road, and then I heard, like, vibrating noises.
Maybe, I'm not sure how they're using it, but yeah, might be a reason. But if you use a 4x4 on a flat surface like this, and you're turning, you hear that because it's not supposed to be on a flat surface.
Oh, okay.
And they all come standard to the safety sense as well. For the next year, they're going to be a little bit more designed, a little bit upgraded with certain features like the bird's eye view, as well as Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay.
Okay.
As well as a camera by the skid plate to actually clear any boulders if you're off-roading a little bit.
I see. They dropped the manual trans for this, right?
They actually brought it back.
Okay.
Not remember brought it back. No, they still have it, but they actually offer a 6-speed transmission now instead of just a 5.
Okay.
So you can still get them in manual transmission.
Okay. I think the 8-speed is paired to a new engine, right? Or relatively new, considering what it had.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Yeah, honestly, I probably consider 4Runner before this, but it's the same thing. It's
correct.
They're all truck based, so it's pretty much the same.
I have a very similar feel to it, especially when you apply the brake firmly. It kind of.
Oh yeah, the truck characteristics come out.
Correct.
Yeah. Tacoma still have rear drum brakes, right? Do they? Or
correct.
do they?
Yes.
Okay. Interesting for 2019 in there. So if I didn't press brake just now, and then would it automatically stop the car?
Yeah, it should. The forward collision warning system, yes.
Okay.
That also goes off of the rate of speed you're going and the distance.
Okay.
So if you're pretty close, you accelerate real quick. If you're about to hit that car, it'll determine that that's in as a hazard, as opposed to you actually lurking forward and inching forward to actually be close as possible. It won't do it.
Oh, okay. Driving a truck is actually a pretty weird feeling. Interesting. Brake pedal's pretty firm.
Other than that, most people have said
Okay.
they're more surprised at it being a little bit more smooth than they thought it was going to be, considering it's a truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, since and also the Tacomas have the 3-piece bumper. So and you're backing up into something, you have the parking sensors turned off, even though with the camera you still hit something, manage to hit something. You just replace that area of the bumper.
Oh, okay. This guy going. When is the San Francisco auto show? You guys go there too, right?
Yeah, I haven't done the San Francisco Auto Show, but honestly, off the top of my head, I don't know when that date is, because I know they shifted. When is it usually? Do you know?
No, I don't know. I haven't been to San Francisco.
Because I know this show usually runs during January.
January, right?
Push back, yeah. The benefit is that you actually get more to experience newer cars that way.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, not here. I'm saying that just since the show's pushed further out into the year, in March.
Oh, okay.
Now you get to experience availability of more cars, newer cars.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So the problem is, like, the new Corolla isn't here. Well, the new sedan Corolla. Yeah, that was what I was expecting, but apparently you guys didn't have it, so I was like,
yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of new redesigns for 19, or at least refreshes.
And just to get you an idea, Toyota has been they're aiming to have the decade 2020 2030 in that decade. What was it? They're aiming to have in each version of their vehicle, the model, to have a version of it in hybrid or electric.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so the Corolla is one of the first ones to actually get treated with that, because it's now we have it for the hybrid.
Because it needs it.
Yeah, and it's already got good gas mileage, but even with the hybrids, even more. But that's just an idea, and then they're going to implement that throughout the entire lineup, as well as Lexus.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so just keep an eye out for vehicles that that need refreshes. They might implement that on those as well.
Interesting. All right.
That'd be cool features on.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
No, pleasure, man. Pleasure meeting you guys. Nice talking to you.
Nice. Thanks.